Hey everybody, Bobby here with EZ LYNK, and today we're back in the shop and we have our Polaris Boost, and we are highlighting features and functions for some of our power sports applications. And so today we've got this machine in here and we're going to highlight our Wastegate Relearn feature for the Polaris Boost models. Now, a reason you might want to perform a Wastegate Relearn is if you have cleaned your valve down here on the exhaust for whatever reason, or in some cases after a reflash for the ECM, it's a good idea to do a relearn such as your wastegate and or an exhaust valve relearn too on both Boost and NA models. So let's jump into it. To do this function, we're going to need our auto agent, which we have here plugged in with our Polaris diagnostic cable over onto the diagnostic port on the machine, and we are connected with our auto agent app. And what we'll do is we'll open our app once we're connected, and we will go into our vehicle, and we're going to go down here to functions and going to select programmable features. We're going to hit run, and then this is where we are going to get, where it says select feature, we're going to get our list of available features for this particular machine. And in this case, we are going to select wastegate recalibration. Now, this particular function needs to be done with the machine running, so keep that in mind. Here in the shop, we're going to perform this function. We've got the sled powered up through an alter method right now to be able to show you this function, and later we'll wheel it outside and we'll perform it again so you can see the differences there. But keep in mind, when you do this, it does need to be done with the machine running to be performed successfully. So I'm going to power up our machine real quick here. And we'll run this function real quick. So we've selected that function, and then we're going to hit run. We're going to hit submit, and you're going to notice the valve is going to cycle. It'll actually cycle twice, and that's it. You can exit out of that and go back to your main menu. But that's really how simple it is. It only takes just half a minute and you're back on the snow and back riding. So appreciate your time today, guys, on this one. Keep an eye out for more of these types of breakdowns on these different features and functions for these vehicles, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.